What's your name? Javeria. Okay. So Javeria, why are you playing the character of Miss Laiba? Like, what motivates you to be like her?
I'm playing the character of Laiba because I like her so much. The way she teaches us, her style, her accent, everything. She understands us and she motivates us whenever we're feeling down or something. She is the best, I think.
Thank you. Okay, Varisha, why are you playing the character of Miss Aliba? Give reasons, please.
Because I like her style and the way she talks to other people, like the way she deals with people, and I like her style. That's why.
Thank you. Varisha, you are conducting the role of Miss Aliba. Give reasons.
Because I like her so much, the way she talks and the way she deals with us, and I like her style, and I like her shit also.
Cool.
And she's awesome. She's the best human, actually.
Shaza, as you are playing the role of Miss Nilofer, so what are the reasons? Why are you playing this role?
Because Miss Nilofer is so nice in all ways and she really understands us and encourages us when we are really down. I really inspire her and I want to be like her in my life. That's why I'm playing her role.
जी तो मुंतहा आप मिस अफसाना के रोल प्ले कर रही हैं, इसके पीछे क्या रीज़न है? आप उनकी जैसा क्यों बनना चाहती हैं? आप क्या रीज़न देना चाहती हैं?
मैं उनके जैसे इसलिए बनना चाहती हूँ, मुझे उनकी पर्सनैलिटी बहुत पसंद है, उनकी गुफ्तगू करने का अंदाज़ मुझे बहुत पसंद है और वो जो पढ़ाती हैं, वो जो एक्सप्लेन करती हैं वो बहुत जल्दी समझ में आ जाता है, इसलिए मुझे